What's up, boys? Welcome back to another episode of Financial Mistake on a 26-year-old vehicle. We're getting our struts refreshed. Of course, I didn't make a video last time, but we have the max speeding rods struts, all four corners. And guess what showed up in the mail? Yes, sir. I asked them to refresh my boys, and they did. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Crack this bitch open, and they're basically the same as last time, but a different color. They got the silver on black. Yeah, boy, look how fresh that looks. Click, 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 click. Oh yeah, you already know I'm gonna have it fully stiff. I got the new hardware. Of course, it comes with the warranty, where they come from. They didn't send me any stickers and whatnot. I'm not gonna need this. Washers, I mean, new spanner wrenches. These are a short throw. The other ones are longer, so these are short throw. I asked for those by name. We're just gonna have to set the preload, but as I pull them old ones out, I'm gonna match them because I love that stance. So yeah, basically the same situation as last time. I just didn't make a video on it. These right here are the rears. They have the goes on the rear control arm. I recommend these, not because they're paying me, but because they're good quality stuff for your bang. You know, you buy one of these with the coupon code, you can get them for 240 bucks, all four corners. So you see what I'm putting on, and just let's see what we're taking off. So we'll start with the fronts. We got the OG red ones. Not much you got to do. You got to take off this guy, the brake lines, the bottom, which are 14s. Actually, it looks like my bushings are blown, so that's something we're going to be taking care of in the future. And then of course you got your two bolts here. So 2, 1 here, there. Let's get it going. The back, it's super simple. Now I'm just gonna do the front, one rear, because it's exactly the same on both sides. In Milwaukee. That one's a 14. Sounds good. It's all loose. Got the brakes. Easy as that. Take this guy out. Grab the front. I think my whip was pretty good. Right, what was that? So I'm just gonna match. Man, it's pretty set up right there. Pretty set up right there. Yeah. We'll do this one. Lock it in. Just eyeballing, you know. Alright. Put him in. This guy just slips in. We adjust this as we need it. We got an Allen wrench supplied with the system. So, pop this in. Get it up top. We'll torque those down later. Get your 12 mils. Get your boys. Alright, install your fork. Screw. Let's just, might need to put the jack under here, raise it up, because that ain't gonna do it. Got it there. Put your, what this nut's called, but it needs to go in there. To the back. So I have to remove this bottom guy out of the way so I can give it some more flux, which no big deal. Now to install the new one. Yeah, so we get this rear, match it up to the OG one, smack it in the back, 2 bolts on top, bang bang. Remove this one, bang, another bang bang, 14, 14, 2 on top, match it up. I think so. Doing it on the fake R. You know how it is, LS with the Type R swap, make it look real, get rid of the moldings, you know, we're gonna look real good. All right, got the front and the rear. I'm gonna do the other 2 off camera, and we're gonna set it back on the ground, and we're gonna be golden, baby. So this is the after. Already got the ride height dialed in, back's a little low. I got some weight in there, but it's a little high on the back, but that's to counter the weight because I usually have tools in there. And then the front's a little, you know, I was driving on the highway a lot, so I decided to keep it, you know, more functional over form. So yeah, that's the final result. Super stiff the way I like it, and yeah, that's the Max Speeding Rods coilovers. One last look. Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.